Hi guys, my name is Cynthia. Today I'm gonna do a get ready with me. So I'm gonna put my lace on and I already choose my outfit. So I hope you guys like this video, so come with me. So for here I'm gonna use that one, and then for outfit I'm using this outfit. And then it's have the short, the t-shirt. So I'm gonna put the outfit right now first because I'm gonna make a makeup. I don't want my outfit go dirty. I'm gonna put my outfit first, okay? So I'm already putting my outfit on. So I'm gonna do my hair right now. Actually, I'm gonna do my makeup first. I think it's gonna be better. So my outfits look like this. I think it's so pretty. So guys, guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys like. Please comment down below if you like it. Subscribe on my channel. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.